Hold on tight. You're about to witness the most insane car crashes straight from America's streets. From high-speed wrecks to jaw-dropping close calls, this video brings you shocking moments that will leave you on the edge of your seat. Get ready for wild twists, heart-stopping crashes, and the raw danger of the roads. It's the ride of your life.
Penalty. Oh
shit! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
So the distracted truck driver plowed into a line of parked cars, creating a chaotic scene.
On the freeway, the SUV changed lanes trying to get away from the pursuing police and lost control, hitting the median, other vehicles, ultimately flipping over. Law enforcement moved in fast to take the suspects into custody. The 5 juveniles, who ranged in age from 12 to 16, were taken to a children's hospital, where 4 were treated for minor injuries and 1 was in serious condition. The identities of the minors have not been made public.
For
Inside Edition Digital.
Caught on camera in Texas, an 18-wheeler flips off of an expressway, lands upside down, and bursts into flames. Look at that. According to police, the truck and another vehicle collided, which sent the truck over the side. The 71-year-old driver did not survive that. Wow. We are getting
which is very bad news for the driver in this gray sedan. The dump truck from earlier plows into a gray sedan, pushes it through the intersection, hits several other vehicles, and then punches through a concrete barrier before finally plummeting more than 15 feet. A car flies through the air, between hanging power lines, and lands bumper first, directly in front of the family's car.
911, 911.
When I saw it,
A Mercedes speeding south on South La Brea Avenue ran a red light and caused an accident, setting 3 nearby cars on fire. The driver was arrested shortly after. Always follow traffic signals and keep your speed within the legal limits for your safety and that of others. Why was the fastest lane on the highway at a standstill? That's nuts.
push them really far away, and we put all...
Oh my God, look at his speed. Slow down on slippery roads and respect everyone's safety.
Mira, 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 Carlos, mira, mira, mira. ¡Ah!
Be sure to slow down when making a turn.
Someone ran a red light.
Just like an action movie, I think the sub driver has learned a valuable lesson about staying focused and aware while driving.
Holy shit, dude!
A speeding car ran a red light, causing 2 consecutive crashes. 2 pedestrians waiting near the crosswalk, just feet from a bus, were lucky to avoid the flying debris. An elderly driver in a grey car drove into oncoming traffic and caused a head-on collision. According to police, the SUV driver might have been intoxicated. Damn it, some idiot just ran a red light. Who should be held responsible for this? Comment 1 if you think the motorcyclist is at fault, or 2 if you believe the driver is to blame. A car from the opposite lane swerved into oncoming traffic, causing a head-on collision. I hope everyone in the vehicle is okay. The Mercedes-Benz accelerated to overtake, just as the truck veered to the shoulder, causing power poles to pierce the SUV. Thankfully, the driver was safe. Always keep a safe distance.
They've gained in the past to risk any of it now. Worse, they squeeze me out.
Which driver do you think should be held responsible for the collision? It's a relief that the driver is safe. Kind people helped get him out of the car. Always be mindful of safe speeds when driving on the road. Honking isn't enough slow down when approaching intersections. Luckily, everyone is safe. A police chase involving an SUV on a Florida highway ended with the SUV flipping over and crashing into 2 other cars. Everyone in the vehicle is okay. It's a relief that everyone evacuated before the tanker truck exploded. Be cautious when overtaking in bad weather and low visibility. Yet another accident caused by speeding. Always keep your speed within a controllable limit.
You alright?
An idiot ran a red light and just caused an accident at the intersection.
Oh shit.
Reckless passing, and the driver paid the price immediately. I hope they're okay.
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Holy sh**.
Next time, please stay focused and keep your distance from the car ahead, girl. I don't miss a second. The most intense car crashes are waiting for you at the end of the video. A drunk driver in a Ford Focus crashed into two cars at the intersection. Someone needs to remind him that driving drunk is illegal.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Palmer hit him in just one. Do you know how much the fine is for running a red light in Canada?